Greetings, esteemed viewers. Today, we will discuss a topic that, unfortunately, is not uncommon in the modern world: a crisis. Let's explore what an economic crisis is, what factors contribute to it, and how society and businesses can adapt in times of instability. An economic crisis is a period of significant decline in economic activity, accompanied by high unemployment, extensive production cuts, and financial difficulties. What leads to the emergence of economic crises? There are numerous factors that can trigger a crisis, from financial crises and rising unemployment to geopolitical tensions. How do these factors interact and amplify the consequences of a crisis? A crisis has a serious impact on business and financial markets. How do companies react to economic instability, and what strategies do they employ for survival? The government plays a crucial role in crisis management. What measures are taken to stabilize the economy, support businesses, and protect the population? In times of crisis, new opportunities arise. How can innovations and technological solutions help companies adapt to changes and find a way out of a difficult situation? A crisis also triggers social changes. How does society show solidarity, and what measures are taken to mitigate the social consequences of a crisis? How can society and businesses emerge from a crisis, and what lessons can they learn from this experience for the future? A crisis is a challenge that tests our ability to adapt and find innovative solutions. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time.